The Targa body style of the Porsche 911 has long been viewed as an embodiment of compromise. It is a unique blend of the coupe and convertible body styles, but fails to master the essence of either. The retractable roof panel and large glass rear window of the Targa compromise the chassis rigidity and lightweight design of the Carrera coupe, as well as the immersive open-air experience of the Carrera convertible's folding top. Nonetheless, the Targa provides more wind-in-your-hair excitement than the coupe, and better closed-roof visibility than the convertible. Thus, while the 911 Targa may disappoint the purists of both the coupe and convertible versions, it has the potential to appeal to a broader audience, making it an excellent compromise. When you push the accelerator of the Targa 4 GTS, its twin-turbocharged 3.0-liter flat-six engine unleashes an impressive 473 horsepower and 420 pound-feet of torque, identical to its Carrera counterpart. However, the Targa 4 GTS features a gain of 30 horsepower and 30 pound-feet of torque compared to the 911's bearing the S badge. It is equipped with an 8-speed dual-clutch automatic gearbox and launch control, allowing it to reach 60 miles per hour in just 2.9 seconds. This timing is only 0.1 seconds slower than the rear-drive Carrera GTS coupe. The Targa 4 GTS has a starting price of $158,150, which is $19,600 more than the Targa 4S. However, the cost can increase significantly with optional extras. Our test car, for example, had a final price of $173,520.